Hello everyone, welcome to the show. I hope you are doing well. In some of our previous episodes of this series, we talked about motion, force and gravitation. Today we are going to discuss about a scientific term, work. In our daily life, we are very familiar with the term work. We all do different work. Even all living things do work in their limited manner. Like human beings communicate through a multiple medium, as speaking, writing and signing, etc. Travel from one place to another, arrange for food and look for shelter, etc. Animals do the same kind of work, like arranging food, migrating, and making shelters, but they don't communicate like human beings. And plants don't make their shelters, neither they move from one place to another or communicate like human beings, but they make food for themselves. All living things do work, but every living kingdom have their limitations and freedoms according to their needs to carry out any particular task. In physics, work is not anything that we understand from the observation of our daily life. Physics defines it very concisely. It says, work is a product of applied force and displacement, which means work will only be done if any force in action makes the object travel some distance. For example, placing book from one place to another is a work. Traveling distance, moving object by pushing, pulling or throwing is a work. Whereas in real life, reading book is work but not in physics. No matter how much you read, it will never be considered any work done. Another example is sleeping. Sleeping is work in real life, whereas while sleeping, we stay at a single place and don't cover any displacement. It's not work in physics. Unit of work is derived from its coefficients, such as unit of force is Newton and unit of displacement is meter. Hence, unit of work is Newton meter. In International System of Unit, joule is used as the unit of force after the name of English physicist James Prescott Joule. As we can see, both the coefficients of work are vector quantities and their dot product is work. We also know that dot products of two vector quantities always result in a scalar quantity. Hence, we can conclude that work is a scalar quantity, thus it has only magnitude. Now at the end of this episode, let's talk about two different types of work. First one is positive work. When object is displaced in the direction of force, it is said a positive work is done. Second one is negative work. When object is displaced in the opposite direction of force, it is said a negative work is done. Well, that's enough for now. In our next episode, we will discuss about energy. Until then, try to come up with at least one example of positive and negative work done and write in the comment box. See you in the next episode. For more information about this or any episode of the series, check out the blog. Link is in the description. We have additional contents, further readings and transcripts of every show. Thank you for coming to the channel and watching the video. I hope you loved the show.